how to remove or add a new page to Control Center on the iPhone 16 series running iOS 18. First, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then, on the home screen, you want to swipe down at the top to open up the Control Center. Now in here, you can either touch and hold on a blank spot to go into Customize mode, or you can tap on the Add button at the top here. So both methods will allow you to go into Customize mode for the Control Center. Now to add in a new page to the Control Center, you want to swipe all the way down to the bottom. Now as soon as you swipe down to the last one, it will ask you to add in a new control. If you add in a new control, the phone will automatically create a new page to the Control Center. And there it is. You can see it has created a new page. To delete or remove a page from the Control Center, you can touch and hold. Then you can either move the control here, or you can delete the control. And when the page is empty, it will automatically remove the page from the Control Center. So if you want to keep your Control Center nice and simple, then perhaps you may want to remove all the additional pages that has been created. So here I can remove this Note app and then tap on it, and then you can see the empty page will automatically be removed. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.